Sultan Zaki Sohyudi, and my nickname is Suki. I was born in Majalengka, but I grew up in Bogor. My hobbies are playing table tennis, touring to a beautiful place, and watching film. And now I'm studying in Bandung State Polytechnic, and also my prodi is telecommunication engineering. And I was born to 3 siblings, and I was the first child. I was very happy if I played with my 2 younger siblings. What else with the youngest brother? And I don't like both of those if they are fight, because it's very noisy. And if you want to know me, it's a person who doesn't like crowd, and a person who is easy to think. And if there's something I like, I'm willing to do everything to get it, while it's still within my means. Maybe I will tell you a little about my hobbies. Starting from the table tennis. Why I do like table tennis? Because the sport of table tennis is very simple for everyone. And also you can do smash coolly, but unfortunately I forgot to bring my bat ping pong to this Bandung. And here are very rare people who like play table tennis. And the next, my hobby is to go around. Why I like that? Because by going around, I can see the scenery and can reflect myself, especially with my friend. And my last hobby is watching movies. I'm one of the lover of several types of film, ranging from the genre of war, romantic, thriller, horror, and other. Sometimes the time to watch a movie I will do when I run out of the ideas to do something, or when I want to experience the genre of the movie. Yes, when I'm bored, I watch a war. When I'm filled with love, I watch romantic. And when I'm upset, I watch thriller. Maybe enough from my introduction. Let's move on the following topic. Nikola Tesla, born in July 1856, Austrian Empire, now it's called by Croatia, and died in January 1943, New York. He was American inventor and engineer who discovered the phantom, the rotating magnetic field, and the basic of most alternative current machinery. He also developed the 3-phase system of electric power transmission. He immigrated to the United States in 1884 and sold the patent right to his system of alternating current dynamos, transformers, and motors to George Westinghouse. And in 1891, he invented the Tesla coil, an induction coil widely used in radio technology. Education of Tesla. Studied engineering at Technology University of Greece and the University of Prague before working for several years in Europe. He also invented the induction motor, a device widely used in industrial application, as well as the Tesla coil, which has become a symbol of high voltage experiment. He designed the Wardenclyffe Tower on the Long Island, New York, as the prototype for wireless communication and power transmission, but faced financial difficulties and the project was never complete. Nikola Tesla passed away on January 7, 1943 in New York City. He died of natural causes at the age of 86. Tesla was a brilliant inventor and engineer known for his contribution to the development of alternating current, electronic system, and many other innovations in the field of electronical engineering. Nikola Tesla's ideas and invention continue to inspire scientists, engineering, and innovators to this day. And he remains an iconic figure in the history of science and technology. The city of Bogor is known as the city of rain because it has quite high rainfall. And the city of Bogor consists of 6 sub-districts, which are further divided into 16 sub-districts. The people in Bogor is friendly, and usually in the Bogor there are many trains that picking up the people to around Jabodetabek. The graphical of Bogor is located between 106 degrees 43 and 30 and has a minimum average height of 190 meters, a maximum of 350 meters, with a distance from the tropical is approximately 60 kilometers. And also, you can see the Istana Bogor as a landmark of Bogor. Not only that, many tourist spots in Bogor, such as Kebun Raya Bogor, Situ Gede, and Kujang Monument. Bogor has several typical food, including soto Bogor, circlet, dokleng, toddler fish, asinan Bogor, fried bean sprout, unyil bread, Bogor laksa, lapis taro Bogor, Bogor wet lumpia, dodongkal. And you just need pick your credit card to come to this city. The place that I want to visit is Japan. Why I choose Japan? Because I like the culture, I like the food, I like the tourist spot, and so on. Japan, officially known as the State of Japan, is an island nation located in East Asia. Here are some key facts and information about Japan. The first, geography. Japan is an archipelago consisting of 4 main islands: Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku, as well as numerous smaller islands. It is situated in the Pacific Ocean and is spread from The Asian mainland by the Asia of Japan. The second, capital. The capital city of Japan is Tokyo, one of the world's most populous and bustling metropolis. And the third, language. The official language is Japanese. English is also widely taught and used, especially in major cities and for business purpose. And the fourth, government. Japan is constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary government. The Emperor of Japan holds a ceremonial role, while the country is run by an elected government with a premier minister as its head. And the fifth, economy. Japan has one of the world's largest and most advanced economies. It is known for its technology and the manufacturing industry, including automotive, it means Toyota, Honda, Nissan, and others. The electronic, it means Sony, Panasonic, Toshiba, and others. And the robotic. The sixth, culture. Japanese culture is rich and diverse, known for its traditional arts, such as tea ceremonies, calligraphy, and ikebana. It means flower arranging. It also has a vibrant pop culture scene with anime, manga, and J-pop music. Japanese cuisine, including sushi, ramen, and tempura, is celebrated globally. And the seventh, the history. Japan has a long and complex history, including periods of feudal rule by samurai, the Meiji restaurant in the 19th century, and its involvement in World War II. After the war, Japan underwent significant post-war reconstruction and modernization. And the eighth, Shintoism and Buddhism are two main religions in Japan. Many Japanese people practice a combination of both religions, and there are numerous temples and shrines throughout the country. And the ninth, education. Japan has highly developed education system. Compulsory education lasts for 9 years, and the country is known for rigorous entrance exam for universities. And the 10th, technology. Japan is a global leader in technology and innovation with contribution to fields such as robotics, electronic, and transportation. So here I wanna describe my thing, that is my motorcycle. The GSX 150R is not a well-known motorcycle. Model as of my last knowledge update in September 2021. It's possible that this model was released after that date, or it may be a regional variant that I'm not familiar with. Otherwise, I recommended checking the last search or the official website of the Suzuki manufacturer for the most updated information of this model. The dimension of GSX motorcycle can vary depending on the specific model and year. Suzuki's GSX series including a range of sport bike and sport touring models. As of my knowledge, update in September 2021, I can provide you with some general dimension typical associated with GSX motorcycle. The first, the length of motorcycle typically have a length ranging from approximately 80 inch or 203 cm until 85 inch or 216 cm. And the second, the weight of GSX motorcycle is generally around 29 inch or 74 cm until 31 inch or 79 cm. And the third, the height of this model is around 44 inch or 112 cm until 48 inch or 122 cm. And the fourth, the seat of height of GSX motorcycle is around 31 inch or 79 cm until 33 inch or 84 cm. And the 5, wheelbase. The wheelbase of GSX motorcycle is typically between 55 inch or 140 cm and 57 inch or 145 cm. And the 6, the ground clearance. Ground clearance is usually 5.1 inch or 30 cm until 5.5 inch. And the 7 is weight. The weight of GSX motorcycle can vary significantly depending on the model and the trim level, but they generally range from 400 pounds or 181 kilograms until 500 pounds or 227 kilograms. And why I choose GSX 150R while it can be my motorcycle? The seat of this motorcycle is not really high and the design is very good for me. Are you curious? Let's check it out.
Nate Goyard.
Stay with me, little bitch, yeah, you know that I'm your man. You be capping like a snitch, no thoughts, no stamps. New hoes, 10 toes, new guac on the bands. New whip, new chips, new kicks, Jackie Chan, as he pay. Bad bitch, no bag, I just need another lick and she be counting in my